Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by protecting your system. Create a restore point now so you can roll back if needed. Next, adjust display scale and resolution to match your monitor and enable night light for warmer tones at night. Once done, pick a lightweight theme and apply a 1920 x 1080 wallpaper to keep visuals crisp and performance high. These first steps change the baseline look and prevent mistakes, so make sure to save settings and confirm everything looks correct before moving on. Now refine the taskbar and icons to clean up clutter. Pin what you use daily, hide the notification icons you don't need, and switch to small taskbar buttons to gain horizontal space. For icons, apply a cohesive icon pack or replace desktop icons with matching PNGs for a unified look. Once done, edit your start layout, remove live tiles you don't use, group apps into folders, and enable full screen. Start only if you prefer a tablet-style view. These changes create visual consistency. Finish by polishing animations and backing up your work. Open performance options and disable unneeded animations to make UI feel snappier, while keeping selective effects for polish. Then set a consistent accent color and toggle transparency effects to balance aesthetics with clarity. Install a cursor or theme package if you want further refinement. Once everything looks right, export your custom theme and create a second restore point for safety. If something breaks, revert to the last restore point and undo the most recent change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.